Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Net Framework 3.5 error code 0x80070422 and 0x800f081f in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, press on Windows key, then type here edit group policy, then double click on administrative templates, then select here system. Here you search specify settings for optional component installations, then select here enable, then click on apply, click on OK. After that, close this window. After doing this, go to the second method, again press on Windows key, then type here turn Windows feature on or off. If you unselect this option, click on OK, select and click on OK. It will take some time. After finishing this, close this window, then restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.